How to evaluate federal government opportunities from Sam.Gov. Number one, you're going to have to do something called reading. I know you can use ChatGPT, the 3.0, the free version, or 4.0 to help you with this to speed up the process. Because I understand it can be very overwhelming when you go to an opportunity and you're like, there's like 10 attachments. I don't understand. I don't know where to begin. So let me help you. You want to look for the statement of work, solicitation, those attachments on Sam.Gov. It's very important. And what you're looking for specifically, how are they evaluating offers? You can run that in ChatGPT. I have a couple videos on using AI. You want to simply find out, is it price? Is it past performance? Is it technical? Is it the resume? Is it none of these things? You need to understand so then you can determine if you're going to bid on it or not. In the federal government space, your objective is to determine a go or no-go decision. Just because you can do the work is irrelevant. It's the evaluation criteria. If you know it's lowest price and you're like, yeah, but I'm really not gonna be able to find anyone to do it at a low price, then don't bid on it. If you know that they're looking for 3 past performances from the prime contractor, which is you, and you don't have it, move on. There's other fish in the sea. But if you see, oh wow, they don't even care about past performance, great. Oh, okay, it's best value, awesome, even better. Oh, it doesn't require any resumes for staffing. Ooh, hallelujah, this is great. So you want to find out, how are they evaluating? They also talk about this on Unison too. About 95% of opportunities I've come across on Sam.Gov that were solicitation or combined list the evaluation criteria. Same thing on Unison. Typically on Unison, it's a different platform. You need a cage code to receive an account. They're usually basing it on price because it's a reverse auction. So it's something to be aware of. On Sam.Gov, any and everything goes. So just be aware. Leverage ChatGPT. Check out my previous videos. Next, what are the instructions to offer? People make these assumptions. I have to have past performance. I need to write a book. It's the federal government. It has to be so official. You simply just follow the instructions. Sometimes all they want is a price quote. This came up with one of my coaching students. He sent me the solicitation and he sent me the attachments and he's like, Kizzy, is this all they want? They just want a price and for me to state that my price is good for 90 days? I said, yeah. That's all they want. And then there are other opportunities I've seen for a 2-day training where they want an agenda, they want sample content. They may even want a video of the instructor instructing for a 2-day course. You never know. Every single opportunity with the federal government varies, even if it's in the same family. Just because it's gravel doesn't mean that the requirement for the Army is the same as the USDA, as the same as for Park Service. That's why I created proposal.wins.com. proposal.wins.com, my Proposal Master Academy, to help you with this because it may seem even overwhelming. And maybe you're even there like, oh, I don't know about this. There's over 2,000 opportunities, over $800 billion spent every year. You put in a little work. You've put in some work before. You know how to put in work. Are you scared of work? You ain't scared of work. There's no reason you can't win. Don't let Word documents and PDFs and these terms I'm using scare you. You know, if you need an introductory, check out winnerswaybook.com. winnerswaybook.com. Get my book, winnerswaybook.com, also on Amazon. The next thing you want to do is you have to package what they're looking for. You're going to need pricing. You may need resumes. Yes, you may need insurance. Yes, you may need bonding. It all depends on what you're bidding on. All of these things must be taken in consideration before you bid, not after. Too often people jump. Okay, it's for lawn maintenance. I'm gonna call and get price quotes. That's what I was told to do. But if then they're asking you for the resumes of the people providing the work and that the prime contractor must have 5 years experience and you don't, then unfortunately you're wasting your time. And I'm here to help prevent that. So you want to go through all of this before making your go, no-go decision. That is why it's never, can you do the work? You're amazing. We're gifts of God. Of course you can do the work. Come on now, shoot. Think about the stuff you've been through in your life. You can do the work. Meaning you can find somebody to do it, or you do it. But it's, can you win? What is your win rate? What's your probability of winning? The more you are able to meet the evaluation criteria, put together the package per their instructions, find somebody to do the work, or have yourself do the work, have that pricing solid, the more apt you are to win. But these are the steps you must go through every single time you're evaluating an opportunity. And before you say, but Kizzy, that just sounds so exhausting. This is part of owning a business. I don't look at it as exhausting. I look at it as fun and playful, and it's part of owning a business. The life that I have, the life that I'm going to have in the future, this is the life I've dreamed about as a child. I wanted freedom. I don't want to work for anybody. I wanted to be able to be in PJs. I wanted to be able to live life how I want to live. That's why I live full-time in Tulum. When I was a little girl, my dad always went to Mexico. He would always go to Juarez, Mexico for work. And I love the stuff he brought me back from Mexico. I haven't had a Hard Rock Cafe shirt from Mexico. I wore that shirt until it had so many holes in it. But this is my goals, my dreams. Whatever they are for you, you can have them too. Federal government is one of the ways to get to them, having them as your client. But to do that, you have to put in the work. I'm still putting in the work. I'm still bidding. I have to work on a proposal tomorrow before my surgery. Just know you got this. It's way easier than you think. Check out proposalthatwins.com, 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 winnerswaybook.com. I love and adore. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. I do. I am only here because of you. I'm here to impact over 1 billion of you, providing love and light, inspiration, motivation through my content, through my products and services, so you too can achieve all of your personal, family, financial, professional goals. Let's get to 100,000 subs and then 1 million. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. winnerswaybook.com. Y'all already know everything is possible. Curls are popping. Love and adore you. Bye, y'all.